take you.
What did you say?
6'5".
No, you cussing me. What did you say?
I did not cuss you, sir.
You cussed me.
What did I say?
I don't know. You've been saying all the F words today. Yeah.
Sir, tell me what
Okay,
I said.
you can get out. This is where you are stopped. I cannot take you
Sir,
anymore.
Okay, I don't have a phone with me. I cannot call another Uber driver.
But this is your stop, and I cannot tolerate more behavior than this. So I'm tired. So, Mom, you can get out, please.
You are kidding me.
Yeah.
You are not. Can you take me home, please?
No, you need to get out.
Please take me home.
No, you've been cussing me the whole day, so you need to get out.
Please.
And this
sir,
is your
take me
address.
home.
This is your address.
Fuck you, you fucking asshole. Fuck you. Get me the fuck out of here. Fuck you. Fuck you.
What do you say? This what happened. This woman is drunk. She threw a bottle of beer in my car.